Here I have Honor X7, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock in case if you set your self-pin, password on pattern on this device and unfortunately forget it. So first thing you have to do in case if you forget your password and can't even unlock your device is to turn it off by holding down power key. So then tap power off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on and you can see Honor logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. So in the following menu, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option clear data, then factory reset, then enter the word yes on this keyboard which appeared and select factory reset. After a few seconds, all the system data will be removed, like including your photos, videos, music, contacts, everything on your phone, including your password. And after it's done, you select back, then select restart, and your device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.